Hi. So in this video, we're going to cover how you can apply email forwarding to your Microsoft Outlook account. So preferably, there are two main ways to do that. Number one is really simple and direct, but it doesn't work always. So I don't recommend using that. Many people try that, but it doesn't work. So it is here. Like you go to outlook.com, sign into your account, go to settings, mail, and forwarding. It is here, enable forwarding, but it doesn't work. So say no to this option and look at this option that I have tried right now. So you need to log into admin.microsoft.com and use the Microsoft 365 admin account that you have and go to admin center, then go to users and then click on active users. From here, what you need to do is you need to select the email account that you want to apply email forwarding on. So, for example, let's say if you are trying to do email forwarding for this account, click on that one and go to mail, go to manage email forwarding, and still here you need to turn off the anti-spam policy. So Microsoft basically has anti-spam policies in place which don't allow you to apply email forwarding. So how you can do it? So you can click here, manage outbound anti-spam policies. So once you are here on the screen, you just need to turn off the anti-spam policy that stops you from enabling email forwarding. So what you need to do here is, since outgoing email forwarding email is an outgoing email, you need to select the anti-spam outbound policy, and from here you need to do edit protection settings. So once you are here, you see forwarding rules. So you need to turn it on and it says forwarding is enabled. So once you do this, just save it and click yes. So what this does is it turns off the policy and allows you to do email forwarding, but it doesn't get activated on the first attempt. I have noticed that Microsoft becomes buggy sometimes, so you might need to wait at least 1 or 2 minutes, or you can try doing it again. Let me show it to you again. So once you click on it again, you will see the default option. You will not see that forwarding is enabled. So you see again the default option, automatic system control. But you want to see here forwarding on and forwarding is enabled. So what I do here is I try a couple of times and it works. But let's see if we wait for a couple of minutes and then look back at it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try it again. Forwarding is enabled and just save it. Yes, close. So you need to try it again and again till it works. Once it works and it shows here forwarding is enabled, you can just come back and select the option to forward emails. So this is the right way to apply email forwarding via Microsoft inboxes. Whether you want to create a master inbox or you just want to do for 1 or 2 inboxes, that's the right way. I tried to look through many YouTube videos, but I didn't find any which was relevant. So I thought, why not we create one for it? So you need to try it again. Forwarding is enabled. Till the time it shows up, it will not enable it. So it takes some time. But yeah, when you see this option, we are updating your organization to support customization, then you are good. Now you can see if you do it now, it should be good. So close it up, and then now you can see it. You can check it if you click on anti-spam outbound policy. You can see forwarding is enabled. So that's how you do it.